This is a 2009 Ford Flex. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, big 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a 4-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Mike Craig Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 621 North Wood Street in Gilmer.